boss is heavy anyway.
You're not going to scream at me.
My boss is heavy.
Do you understand what I'm telling you? Now you're going to sign this ticket, or I'm going to take you to jail.
There it is.
Your name, your date of birth, and your address.
Sir,
Hey.
I told you I wasn't giving it to you.
While some officers betray their oath and abuse their power, today you'll witness instant karma, delivering a powerful blow. Let's break down the tragic case of Johnny Hallman, a church deacon who lost his life after a routine traffic stop escalated when he refused to sign a citation. On August 10, 2023, Johnny Hallman, a church deacon, was driving home after a Bible study at his daughter's house, bringing dinner for his wife, when he collided with another car while turning onto a busy street. It took the police an entire hour to arrive at the scene.
Get out of the way.
1191, go ahead. Just checking to see if you have any officers at 20 East down in Hamilton home.
What happened?
I had the green light and all the traffic up here. I got the time.
We're calling
Time to hit me on the side right here.
officers at the location. They were trying to.
We have our own turn here.
You hit me right here and went on down that way with it.
That's copy. I think
But
all
the
my
light was
officers
red
are
over here.
call. You know, I don't
He
think
wasn't that turn.
maybe zone 4.
Is your car still drivable? Or is the tire messed up back there?
I don't know. I don't even know off the. And when you hit me right here, you went all the way down that way with. And I said, you want to stop? It's red. You're like, yeah. And I was green.
Officer Kieran Kimbrough tried to get to the bottom of the situation by speaking with another driver.
Come pull your car up right here. Come pull your car up right here.
Sorry, so like this real quick, can I just kind of explain what happened from my standpoint?
Is this your car?
Yes.
I mean, I know what happened, but you can tell me. I already watched the camera what happened.
Oh, okay. All right, so I'm making a right turn. I even saw him. So as soon as basically he just, essentially all he did was ran right into my car. As a matter of fact, like you see the reason that it skirts all the way, I wasn't even going. I was essentially like driving at 2-3 miles per hour. And I saw the left.
Come on, the car's already fucked up. There you go. Come on. There you go. Turn it right in there.
There's traffic in terms of, like I'm basically essentially just making a right turn. And I saw the car. He wasn't even looking at me. I even tried to go to him. He just cut way too sharp and just ran right into my car. And got some shoes in the car.
The accident already happened, so why are we arguing about it? You can go in your car, actually. You can go in your car. You can go in your car. You got a driver's license on you?
Yeah.
You got a license or anything on you? Okay.
We stay down the street. She got it at the house, but she can get out the phone. I'm her mom.
That's fine.
Oh, I just came more trouble.
You know my driver's license.
Okay. You said where?
I got a club.
Which one?
The one on Jonesboro Road.
Which one? What is it called? Rain?
That's on Moreland. Not Moreland, but
Hallman tried to explain to Officer Kieran Kimbrough that he was making a left turn when another car crashed into his pickup truck. Hallman said he did nothing wrong. The situation escalated when Hallman initially refused to sign the citation.
All right. This is the case number. Your car, that tire's messed up, so you're gonna be able to drive it off. So I'm gonna tell you, okay. But this is where your car's gonna go on Jonesboro Road. Yeah, it was him. So. Okay. All right, this is case number for you.
Thank you, cool.
You know, if you want to, I don't know, sue or whatever. All right, man. Case number for you. All right, I did find you at fault in the accident.
My fault. I was in the red light. My light was green.
You cut your turn short.
No, I didn't turn. I can't turn no while what it did. He kept coming at me. It wasn't my fault.
Why are you screaming at me?
I'm not screaming. I'm saying it was not my fault. He ran into my truck.
Okay.
You see where he hit me right here.
So I need you to sign this ticket right here on the X. Okay. I'll get my sergeant for it, but you're still going to sign this ticket.
That's
fine. But you're going to sign this ticket right here before I get my sergeant out here. Okay?
A person who is issued a citation as provided in this chapter or Code Section 17-6-11 relating to display of driver's license in lieu of bail shall sign the citation to acknowledge receipt of the citation and of his or her obligation to appear for trial. The officer shall advise the person that signing the citation is not an admission of guilt, and that failure to sign will result in the person having to post a cash bond. If the person refuses to sign the citation, it shall constitute reasonable cause to believe that the person will not appear at trial, and the officer may bring the person before a judicial officer or Traffic Violations Bureau to post a bond as is otherwise provided by law. A struggle ensues, and Kimbrough takes Holman to the ground, uses a stun gun on him, and then handcuffs him behind his back, according to the video. Kimbrough requests EMS when he realizes Holman is unresponsive.
You're going to sign this ticket or I'm going to take you to jail. So you got a court date of the 4th of October, 2023 at 8 o'clock, all right? It's not a state of admission or guilt. Just saying that you plan on coming to court and paying the fine beforehand. You can come to court.
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
I told you once, lower your voice.
My voice is heavy anyway.
You're not going to scream at me.
My voice is heavy.
Do you understand what I'm telling you? Now you're going to sign this ticket, or I'm going to take you to jail. I suggest you sign the ticket. Then you can talk to my sergeant or whoever you want to talk to, your priest, your wife, I don't care. But you're going to sign it right here. Here you go. Sir, I'm going to ask you one more time. Sign the ticket.
You're trying to make
Sign
me
the
say I'm guilty
ticket.
of something I'm not guilty of.
Sign the ticket.
That's what you're trying to make me say?
Sign the ticket.
Okay, I'm going to sign.
Sign the ticket. Sign the ticket.
How can I sign? Think you got me out like that?
You're acting crazy.
I'm not doing nothing.
Give me your
I'm
arm.
right here in it.
All right.
I'm already.
Sign me another unit. That's on the ground.
I'm finna sign. What you doing like that? I ain't doing nothing. I ain't doing nothing, sir. I'm old man.
I'm not right away. Sign the ticket. I'm gonna change you. Put your arms behind your back now. Put your arms behind your back.
I am acting up real bad, sir. I am acting up real bad. Please. Get it out. Don't give me help. Please, let's go around.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I can't breathe.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I can't breathe.
I'm gonna tell your ass one more time. Put your hands behind your back.
I can't breathe. Come on, man. Hey, look. Don't change me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Now.
Okay, I can't breathe.
Let go of me. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now. Let me get my cuffs. Let me get my cuffs.
This shit is so long. I forgot what it like.
All right, he's got someone with him. Slow him down. He'll make it a 5-9 right away. Keep people coming, please. He's with a record driver assisting him.
104 radio. Start me supervisor for use of force, please.
1191, I copy. Read, man.
Radio, step it up. This guy's bleeding pretty bad.
In Graham v. Connor, the reasonableness of a particular use of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, and its calculus must embody an allowance for the fact that police officers are often forced to make split-second decisions about the amount of force necessary in a particular situation. In the video, Kimbrough tells officers that he struck Holman several times when Holman tried to grab him.
One car for the one away.
2 car. He hit that car up there. I told him sign the ticket.
One car funny.
Yeah. Hey, wake up. I am. I think he passed out on me. Wake up! I told him sign a ticket. Start doing all. I'm not signing a ticket. I'm like, dude, just sign a ticket. It's fine. Told him put his hands behind his back. He started resisting. Took him to the ground and stuff. Then he started grabbing my hand like he was gonna hit me. So I punched him a couple times. Just tased him. Then he put him in cuffs. I don't know what's going on with him now. He's still breathing though.
Okay.
Right, we got ETA on emergency services out here. Huh? That's my car.
Fire's already been notified, so they should be out there shortly. I'm getting an EPS ready.
Copy.
Kimbrough was fired last month because he did not follow standard operating procedures. The police department said Wednesday that an on-scene supervisor must approve a physical arrest for refusal to sign a citation. After the fatal incident, the police department made several changes, including revising its standard operating procedures regarding traffic citations and allowing officers to write refusal to sign instead of making arrests, according to the mayor's office, which said it instructed the police department to conduct a top-to-bottom review of the incident and its policies. On November 23, 2023, officers reportedly went to the Bryan home to investigate whether the couple, 78-year-old Rand and 74-year-old Vera, were residing in a home police believed to be under foreclosure.
Got a car in the back. 25 is complaint house where this was foreclosed on. That's what I am. Hey!
What can I do for you, sir?
So are you guys supposed to be here?
Supposed to be where?
This house.
Our kid just came from the garage.
Under the Fourth Amendment, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched, and the persons or things to be seized. Upon arrival, they encounter an elderly man who claims the house is his and insists that it is not in foreclosure. The officers inform him that they received a complaint from a neighbor stating that the property was foreclosed and that there should be no one present.
Yeah, is this your residence?
Yeah, that's my house. That's my garage. What are you doing?
We got a complaint that this house was foreclosed on.
No, the house isn't foreclosed on.
You guys mind hanging tight for a second?
Well, I've got to go.
Where you gotta go? With that?
What difference does that
It's closed
make
to
where I gotta
occupancy.
go?
So yeah, you guys should not be here.
What do you mean I should?
So there's a close to occupancy.
I was back in the back.
Yes, it does. It's on the front door. Partner just told me that. Hey! Shut your car off.
No!
We need to get this settled.
No!
As the situation escalates, the officers demand the man's identification, asserting that he is being detained for investigation. The man, who identifies himself as the property owner, becomes agitated and refuses to provide his driver's license, leading to a confrontation.
Sir?
Trespassing.
No, get out of the car. Come on. Come on.
Now, what's with you?
We got a call.
I am leaving. I've got a place to go.
Hey, it doesn't matter. We got this to take care of right now.
Am I under arrest?
No, sir.
Am I free to go?
No, you are not free to go. What is your name?
I'm free to go.
No, you are not. You are detained right now for investigation. We got a complaint from the neighbor that his house has been foreclosed on. No one should be here.
It has
You
not
guys
been-
are here.
It
And
has-
there is a no occupancy sign on the door. So
And what
you
makes you think I've been in there?
That's the property. No trespassing.
Yes, that's my sign I put up.
So you're the owner of this property.
I am.
What is your name? You got a driver's license on you.
I do.
Can I get that from you?
I'm not driving.
Ma'am, I need you to stand over there. You need to identify yourself. Ma'am, stand over there. Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am.
You don't know that. If this was your house, you would want us to investigate, right? If people are hanging around your house, maybe you're some random person. I don't know that.
Maybe I am.
Okay, so we're going to figure that out.
I will show you my driver's license.
Perfect.
I will not give it to you. There it is.
Your name, your date of birth, and your address.
Sir.
Hey.
I told you I wasn't giving it to you.
During the struggle, the elderly man appeared to be in pain, unable to breathe, and very distressed. The 78-year-old man was thrown to the ground by the police. They confiscated the man's driver's license without permission. Later, the police helped him to his feet, and his face was covered in blood.
This is ridiculous. Stop grabbing me. Stop grabbing me right now. Do not grab me. Let go of me right now. Let go.
Let go of him.
Oh, God, I'm done. You son of a... Oh!
There. Your arm.
Well, get him on, hurry up. You bastardizer!
Get away right now. Get back or you will be arrested. Get in front of your car. Now.
Hurry up! Good girl. Tell me I can't breathe. You do something. You get up or something. Help me up.
Roll on your side. I'm gonna get you on your knees and stand you up, all right? 1, 2, 3. Stand up, sir.
Okay, you got my driver's license. You know who I am.
In Graham v. Connor, the reasonableness of a particular use of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, and its calculus must embody an allowance for the fact that police officers are often forced to make split-second decisions about the amount of force necessary in a particular situation. He continually asserted his rights and challenged the authority of the police, insisting that he was on his own property. The encounter continued with the police eventually handcuffing him and issuing a subpoena for interfering with an officer.
May I sit down, please?
What's that? I don't know.
May I sit down?
No.
I'm an old man.
We told you several times to identify yourself. You wanted to fight. We're trying to investigate what's going on.
This is my property. You got my driver's license. You can see who I am. This is my house. You're trespassing on my property. Are you going to give me my driver's license back?
In a second.
All right, that was 1 second.
So, if this house was foreclosed on, you're not supposed to be here.
It's not foreclosed on.
Right.
I pay the taxes on it. Then it's not foreclosed.
We are going to cite you with interference with an officer.
I'm not going to accept that.
That's fine. You don't need to sign. We have between 5 and 14 business days. Contact the courts to get it set up, to get it taken care of. No sooner than 5 business days, no later than 14 business days. This is your citation. You don't have to sign.
It's not an admission of guilt.
Yeah, it's not an admission of guilt. It's just saying you'll acknowledge, you'll contact the courts to get it taken care of. Like I said, no sooner than 5 business days, no later than 14.
Would you read that bottom right there for me?
What do you need? Right here?
No, further down.
This citation is not information, will not be used as information without your consent. So, like I said, no sooner than 5 business days, no later than 14 days. If you wait longer than 14 days, a warrant will be issued for your arrest.
I would recommend you guys please leave.
That's what we're trying to do. All right, want to stand up, take the cuffs off, and we'll be out of your hair.
So why did you come here in the first place?
Well, I told you why, Mr.
We told you why we
said
came.
this place is foreclosed, and you know it isn't.
Just get the cuffs.
Yeah. Not gonna fight when these come off, are you?
Fight? How the hell am I going to fight? I'm a 78-year-old man.
Your ID and wallet is on your hood, along with your citation.
Well, take care, Mr. Breen. Take the citation with you.
In the aftermath, the police department implemented mandatory retraining on de-escalation techniques and proper procedures for handling property disputes. Additionally, the officers involved were placed on administrative leave pending the outcome of the investigation.
That's bullshit, man. Fuck out of here.
Now you don't got no problem walking up here.
What are you doing, man?
What are you doing, bro? You got, bro, I was about to roll my window down and I sit there. You put your window down with your gun on your head.
You know how many times I asked you before I even went for my gun?
Hello everyone, and welcome to Cops Quiz. Today we delve into an important topic: corrupt cops gets mad after issuing questionable commands. Join us as we examine these cases to understand the consequences of unethical behavior. Remember to subscribe to stay informed about justice and legal issues. Let's get it on. On the morning of December 10th, 2019 in Frederick, Maryland, Deputy Sophia Labe and her partner initiated a routine traffic stop involving YouTuber Rolando Bass for purportedly violating traffic laws. When Mr. Bass was initially pulled over, he complied by partially lowering his car window to present his license and registration. However, law enforcement protocol necessitated complete visibility through the vehicle's window for safety purposes. As officers approached the rear of the car, they courteously instructed Mr. Bass to fully roll down his window. Deputy Labe instructed Mr. Bass to lower his car window, asserting it as a lawful order. While specific laws don't mandate full window lowering, Maryland's Transportation Code deems it unlawful to knowingly defy a valid police order. The crux of the issue lies in the lack of precise definition regarding what constitutes a lawful directive.
Baby, welcome to the party. Damn, that shit crazy.
Put your windows down for me, please.
Nah, I'd rather not put my window down. Oh, he yelling.
Put your windows down.
No, what you grabbing my shit for? Why you grabbing my doors like that?
What are you doing? Open the door.
No, my window is down so he can talk to me. It's not my fault he's scared to approach. You got guns, you got your hands on guns and you expect me to just, y'all sitting here looking like y'all ready to shoot me. You mad because I won't roll the window down some more? Come up here, you just walked up here. Why is he scared to walk up here? Now you don't got no problem walking up here.
What are you doing, man?
What are you doing, bro? I was about to roll my window down and I sit there, put your window down with your gun on your head.
You know how many times I asked you before I even went for my gun? What is the problem with it?
Is it a lawful order?
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
What lawful order is it?
I'm giving you an order to roll your windows down.
Oh, well, I didn't know that.
You're trying to protect making ourselves. A stop that would have been a warning.
I'm trying to protect myself. I'm trying to protect myself, bro.
Windows down.
I ain't even see y'all behind me.
Registration.
Here you go. You want to answer that question you asked, or you want to cut yourself off and me off while I'm answering your question?
Registration.
Oh, all right.
In the realm of traffic stops, the question of whether motorists are obligated to lower their car windows upon police request stands as a legal gray area. While law enforcement can instruct individuals to exit their vehicles, the directive to roll down windows lacks a clear legal precedent. This ambiguity complicates the determination of the legitimacy of Deputy Labe's command in a recent case. Advocates for officer safety argue that obscured visibility due to window tinting warrants such requests, adding complexity to the issue. While seemingly a minor inconvenience, legal interpretation of this mandate poses significant challenges. The intricacies of how courts navigate this issue, particularly in lower jurisdictions, could shape its legality and potential ramifications. Although improbable to reach the Supreme Court, the variance in lower courts' rulings generates uncertainty and potential legal disputes.
There you go. It's been ready for you the whole time.
Playing games for no reason.
You're not playing any games.
Yeah, you are. I don't have any threats coming up to the vehicle.
All right, well, I ain't like your approach. I ain't like your approach.
How are you protecting yourself by not doing a simple order?
Bruh.
That's a bad idea.
Hey, I don't give a if that keep me alive, bro. You putting your hands on your bro. I had 2 men with guns. That's not my problem. It's not illegal for me to have my window up. You a cop, you should know that. He mad as shit. You wanna stare me in my fucking eye like I'm your bitch. What the fuck out of here?
Hey, what's up, partner?
What's up?
What you up to, man?
Nothing. What's going on? I'm just doing my thing.
Huh? I can't hear you too well.
How you doing? Hey, what's your name and badge number, sir?
What's up, Barrera 0505.
Barrera?
When's the last time you smoked marijuana, man? It's coming pretty strong coming out of your car, bud.
No, I believe that's
still got any left in the vehicle?
I don't smoke weed.
I mean, I can smell it though.
Maybe you.
When's the last time you
maybe you
smoked
smell a
marijuana?
nose. You don't smell no weed in this car.
Is that what you're smoking now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you your commands. I need you to follow them. Turn the vehicle off.
You asking me to step out of the car?
Is your door open?
No,
Locked.
it's not.
You need to do that for me right now.
Are you pulling me out the car?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. You should have said that in the first place.
It's not gonna be in your hand.
Keep it rolling, but it's not gonna be in my hand. All right, I'm glad you
Unlock
told
the
me.
door now.
I'll be with you in a second. Since you already told me you taking my camera out my head.
I'm giving you commands. I need you to listen to them. Are you clear?
Yo, what's the commands, man? I got shit to do. What's up?
Cool. Interlock your fingers behind your head. Interlock your fingers behind your head.
All right, what's good? It's gonna be petty.
During a routine traffic stop, Deputy Labe instructed Mr. Bass to extinguish his cigarette and refrain from holding his GoPro camera. This situation underscores a pervasive issue across many U.S. states: the ambiguity surrounding the legality of such directives. The complexity of law enforcement's instructions gained significant attention following the tragic case of Sandra Bland in 2015. Bland's refusal to comply with an officer's commands in Texas resulted in her arrest and ultimately her untimely death. In light of recent discussions surrounding the interpretation of state laws, particularly Section 542.501 of the Texas Transportation Code, it is imperative to address the ambiguity regarding lawful orders. While legal statutes mandate compliance with such directives, the absence of a clear definition of what constitutes a lawful order has sparked debates over its constitutionality. This issue was underscored in the 2015 case of Johnson v.S. United States, wherein the U.S. Supreme Court upheld the validity of such laws, deeming them sufficiently lucid. However, the resultant confusion during police stops poses significant challenges, potentially escalating into avoidable confrontations. To mitigate this, there's a growing consensus for governmental intervention to delineate the extent of police authority in issuing orders during such encounters. Due to the existing state of ambiguous regulations, minor disputes could become violent, endangering both residents and law enforcement. When the deputies removed Mr. Bass from his vehicle, they gave him a pat-down and told him to stand by their cruiser while they searched it. As the cops waited for their search to be completed, Mr. Bass struck up a discussion with a backup deputy who had arrived at the scene a little later than expected.
I don't believe you smoked any marijuana in that car. So my car's being, I'm a grown man with grown man going through my shit. I don't like the way that man's talking to me.
Well, every action has a reaction, man. You're being tense. You're being a little deceptive.
I'm being tense and I'm being deceptive.
He's stepping it up a little bit.
Okay, he's stepping it up. Check this out.
You're making him feel uncomfortable.
What am I doing illegal? I'm making him feel uncomfortable.
You're not doing.
I got 3 men with guns in my face, and I'm making you feel uncomfortable.
Put a gun in your face. Okay.
So that's what set the tone for me.
This is my first interaction with you.
That's cool, but it's your first interaction after a reaction with your man. It is what it is. I understand you're being real respectful. My bad. You're being real respectful and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Since his whole stop. Well, so I don't care if he feels a certain way and he's stepping it up. It's a question. That's my right. I didn't roll my window down. It's my right, and that's how I'm
marijuana is not decriminalized in Maryland. I know you got Virginia tags. That's what I was asking you. Where are you from, man?
It ain't nothing illegal in my car. I told you that.
I'm gonna explain to you what's going on, okay? So in Maryland, marijuana is decriminalized. Anything under 10 grams, you have odor of marijuana in your vehicle, so he's gonna find out. And that's why I asked you, is there anything else in the car that we need to know about? Based on the odor, he's gonna search the car. He's gonna pat you down.
Let me ask you a question. If I were to answer your question, my car, that's bullshit.
Yeah, regardless.
Okay, so what do I? You said so. If I didn't answer the question, so you're searching the car. That's bullshit. Yeah. And that's fine. I appreciate you being very professional while you dealing with me. But other than that, the way he acting, I'm set off. So he stepped it up, I'm gonna step it up. Refuse to have a dude with a gun and a bulletproof vest on talk about he fearing for his safety. That's bullshit. I don't want to hear that dumb shit. I ain't with that.
You're good, man. You can lean up on it if you want. You catch the heat outside.
No, I'm all right. I'm fine. It's a nice day. It was about 54 degrees.
In Maryland, possession of small amounts of marijuana was decriminalized in 2014, yet the legal landscape remains nuanced. A pivotal 2017 case, Robinson v. State, underscores this complexity. The ruling established that the mere odor of marijuana in a vehicle provides law enforcement with probable cause to conduct a search. In 2020, a pivotal legal case, Lewis versus State reshaped perspectives on marijuana possession in Maryland. The court's decision emphasized the distinction between personal possession and possession within a vehicle. Merely smelling marijuana on an individual no longer constitutes grounds for arrest or extensive search, highlighting a shift towards safeguarding personal privacy rights, particularly concerning bodily autonomy. This ruling reflects evolving societal attitudes towards marijuana, mirroring its increasing acceptance nationwide. Furthermore, it underscores the ongoing judicial efforts in Maryland to reconcile these evolving social norms with existing criminal statutes. Currently, there's ambiguity regarding the extent of police authority concerning marijuana possession, causing confusion among law enforcement and the public. After conducting a thorough check of the car, the officers uncover neither firearms nor illegal substances. Upon returning to his patrol car, Deputy Labe proceeded to initiate the citation process for Mr. Bass. However, a brief altercation arose when Mr. Bass began filming Deputy Labe during the issuance of the citation. Despite this distraction, Deputy Labe maintained his professionalism and exited his vehicle to personally hand over the ticket. It's crucial to note that Officer Labe had pulled over Mr. Bass for violating traffic laws, specifically running a red light and failing to come to a complete stop at a stop sign before executing a right turn.
I'm not doing all that right here. I need you to stand right here.
But I'm standing off the street.
I don't need you to. Just stand right here, man.
I'm not doing nothing illegal. I'm not going to move.
Stand right here. You ain't going to stand here and just record and do what you want.
I'm not just going to record and do what I want.
Stand right here.
This is not what. Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me.
All right, well, stand right here, bud.
You don't want me at his window. I'm at his window.
Look, I've been...
Lock me up if it's illegal.
Respectful with you. I'm asking you to stand
until you
right
just push me and yell at me.
You're not listening.
I'm standing in the fucking grass. You can't even justify telling me to stand on the street.
You're not going to come up.
I'm not going to stand here.
Stand right here.
Get the fuck out of here, yo. Can't impede my right to record. That's simple as that.
Your attitude is going to get this reaction.
My reaction, you going to get my reaction every time people talk to me like that. My attitude is not against the law for this whole time. Why don't you keep it professional and stop trying to impede my right to record? Why don't you conduct myself when you pull me over and push me into the street?
Yeah,
when I'm standing off of the street.
You're all up on
you cannot justify why the fuck I need to stand in the street. It's officer safety. Well, I perfectly stepped back, and now I'm stepping back even further. So what good reason do you have? What good reason do you have? What good reason do you have while you sitting here with a gun and badge, taser, gun and badge? Yeah, that's bullshit. Look, you and I both know.
You're trying to stir up certain emotions.
I'm not trying to stir up any emotions. I'm trying to record this officer. Okay, well, you searched the car and you didn't find weed. So what? So what now?
So now he's just printing the ticket.
Okay, cool. And now I'm sitting here recording in my right.
So what's being impeded?
I was recording him. Yeah. You want? We can act like you gonna say I was inside the window, and this ain't good enough. Because now you standing in front of the window. I was recording. So so here we go. So I'm not being professional. I don't have to be professional, bro. I just got pulled over and I really don't know why. It's disrespectful, but I don't listen to what you tell me to do. That's not disrespectful. I just didn't want to listen. But you find it disrespectful, as you said. That's terrible. It's all good. What you got for me? And what's your name?
There you go. That's your copy. Do you want to take it or not?
Which is the professional way to do it. That's protocol. Oh, failure to stop it. Oh, let's do this.
Officer Labe issued a traffic citation to Mr. Bass, despite not finding any marijuana during a search. Although Mr. Bass contested the citation, he ultimately lost the case. While commendations were given for the officer's adherence to protocol, Deputy Labe's confrontational demeanor exacerbated tensions. The legality of Deputy Labe's directive for Mr. Bass to roll down his window is debatable. Mr. Bass, exhibiting commendable composure, exercised his rights by recording the encounter. This incident underscores the importance of law enforcement officers receiving comprehensive training in de-escalation techniques and sensitivity. An upsetting occurrence occurred on February 9, 2023, when Taylor Brown, an 18-year-old college student, was subjected to unjustified physical abuse and harassment by a gang of more than 6 police officers. The event happened when Brown, who wasn't a suspect, was brought to the Normal Police Department in Normal, Illinois, to assist with an investigation into a fire. Officers insisted on obtaining her phone even after they informed her she could leave, saying it had to do with an ongoing investigation into a fire. The authorities cited Illinois Criminal Code Article 44, Section 44.3a, which permits the confiscation of phones connected to illegal activity.
What's up? Hey, you're good. Alright, who are you on your phone with? So we're gonna have to seize your phone, so go ahead and hang up.
Seize my phone for what?
Go ahead and hang up.
Why? They want to seize my phone, but I'm not under arrest for it.
You're not under arrest, but your phone's gonna be seized. You're gonna hang up the phone.
I seize my phone, but I'm not in custody.
So you listen for a second. So the fire's gonna be under investigation, okay? And we're gonna seize your phone.
Why?
Because the fire's under investigation.
I need to know why my
So you can hand me the phone?
But I need to know why my phone's being. They're not telling me a reason why my phone's being.
I just did. So listen to me. The fire.
That's her phone?
So the fire's going to be under investigation, and your phone's going to be seized. Yes, everybody's phone's being seized.
Oh no, because you never told me that my phone would be seized when I got here. She didn't tell me that.
Okay, and when I got here, the detective wasn't here. Okay.
You told me that you were about to take me home.
Okay, so I'm not going to sit here and argue with you. So you can hang up. You can hang up the phone.
No, they're not taking my phone and letting me leave. I don't know what I'm finna. It's 4 a.m. I can't go without my phone. Right, where am I gonna go without my phone? If I do the interview,
that's up to you.
Well, if I do the interview,
you can go do the interview, but your phone's gonna currently be seized. Nope, we're not gonna do that. So you can hang up the phone, or I'm gonna take the phone. That's how this is gonna work.
Oh, absolutely not.
So
at this point, I'm being threatened.
It's not a threat. I've asked you several times, and you're just gonna go back and forth with me.
A reason as to why my phone is being.
The fire is going to be under investigation by the fire department. So stop. Don't interrupt me. So don't interrupt me.
Despite having no ties to any criminal activity, her phone was unlawfully seized by officers. This act not only infringed upon her rights but also highlighted potential abuses of power within the police force. The officers' aggressive behavior, including attempts to physically grab her phone, disregarded her innocence and cooperation with the investigation. Concerns are raised by the occurrence regarding the police officers' abuse of power and breaches of their legal rights. Miss Brown was not given a convincing explanation by the female officer for taking her phone, which caused the situation to worsen. Rather than needlessly escalating the entire issue, the officer's main duty should have been to notify Brown about the seizure and start a productive conversation. Until that moment, a dispute existed between Miss Brown and the officers. It's noteworthy that Miss Brown was speaking with her mother, a detective at the Chicago Police Department, who explicitly advised her daughter against conversing without legal representation. Subsequently, an officer forcefully instructed Miss Brown to terminate the call and surrender her phone, purportedly for transportation purposes. There didn't seem to be a compelling justification for the normal police department officers to seize Miss Brown's phone. The Fourth Amendment states that no one may be searched or have their property taken away without a warrant or a solid reason, and this goes against that. The police had neither in this instance.
The fire is going to be under investigation.
Don't ever tell me not to fucking interrupt you and I'm in this con. I'm
so
asking you a reason. I'm not being rebuttal. I'm asking you a reason.
So if you would like to talk to the detective, you can.
Why is my phone being seized?
If you would like to talk to the detective that is seizing it, you can. Do you wish to talk to him?
Yeah, but...
Do you want to give an interview?
No, I wanted to ask him why my phone's being seized. Because she said she could take me home, but without my phone. That doesn't make sense. It sounds like...
So are you going to...
No, I need everyone to come and tell me why my phone's being seized because no one told me this until right now.
So
because it seems like
that's the question. No, it
seems like he's being petty because he woke up and I won't do the interview.
So the question is, are you going to talk to the detective?
As a matter of fact, are you recording this?
Are you going to talk to the detective and provide an interview? Yes or no?
Is that with or without the phone?
Without the phone. The phone's being seized. Are you talking to the detective or no? That's not my question.
I need an answer to that before I
So the question is, are you going to provide an interview? No? Okay. Go ahead and hand me the phone.
I have to know if my phone is being seized.
Go ahead and hand me the phone. Do not kick. Okay, push your legs out. Stop. Relax. Relax.
Mom, not letting
Relax.
go.
We just want your phone. That's it.
We just want your phone.
They're trying to give me no protection.
Taylor, no. No.
Stop it. Stop. Mom, they got me.
Stop kicking.
Stop kicking.
Mom, they trying to get me.
Hey, Taylor, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Taylor.
Turn her to that way.
This way toward me.
Give me.
Roll.
Give. Give me your hand, Taylor.
Which way we roll?
Give me your hand. Ow! I almost.
I'm gonna keep doing the pressure point until you let go. Let go.
Got this hand.
Release your hand.
Okay, you can let go. Watch out, look over. Relax.
I got it right.
Oh my God, y'all put me in cuffs now. No, I'm not under arrest.
Relax your arm, Taylor.
When Miss Brown refused to surrender her phone and requested to speak with the head detective, the officer denied her request, potentially infringing upon her rights. Despite Brown's persistent inquiries about the seizure of her phone, the officer provided little explanation, citing an ongoing investigation into the fire. However, it's important to note that, under U.S. law enforcement must have sufficient evidence or a warrant to lawfully seize or search an individual's belongings. During the interaction, the officer unexpectedly offered Miss Brown the opportunity to engage in a dialogue with the detective, a departure from what had been previously stated as impermissible. This action contradicted established protocol, which may raise questions about the adherence to legal procedures. Furthermore, the officer abruptly shifted the line of questioning, asking Miss Brown about her willingness to provide information to the interviewer. In that instance, it became apparent that the officer intended to artfully guide the conversation with Miss Brown, portraying it as an informal exchange with the detective. Despite the absurdity and lack of justification in the situation, the officer eventually informed Miss Brown that she was unaware of the legal basis for seizing her phone. Miss Brown's decision to decline an interview led to potential conflict with authorities, who indicated an intent to confiscate her phone. This situation underscores the importance of understanding legal rights, particularly regarding personal property. The absence of a valid reason for seizing her phone, especially in the absence of an arrest, aligns with the principles outlined in the 2014 U.S. Supreme Court case Riley v. California. This landmark ruling established that warrantless searches or seizures of phones during arrests violate the Fourth Amendment. Despite persistent requests for an interview from law enforcement, it's crucial to recognize that Miss Brown was not legally obligated to surrender her phone.
I'm filing the case as soon as I get off this floor.
Let me move.
You all have no right. Because you're a black woman.
Get up.
So,
Okay.
Hold on.
I want you to think about how you're doing another black woman.
Okay.
When you go to
Relax.
You just put me in handcuffs and I came down here willingly.
Do you need up here, double lock?
Hold on, let me
I
tighten them up.
came down here willingly. Get off of me.
Stay down.
Nope,
Stay
relax.
Get me off the fucking floor.
Relax.
Down. Stay down.
Why am I on the floor?
Taylor. Okay, we're gonna roll this way.
Why
Ready?
are you pinning
Nope.
me on the floor?
We're gonna get you up. Relax. We're going left. We're going my way. Roll my way.
We're going your way.
Roll my way. Go to your knees, Taylor.
And y'all just okay with this, all of y'all. And you a black woman. You are a black African American woman.
Our property. Oh, that one's mine.
Where's the phone at? We're going this way.
They're white. I expect it from them. You're black, dude.
Okay, you also kicked me in the head, so.
I came down here willingly because I trusted you. And look at what you're doing. What does that mean?
Are you going to talk to me if we go back there or no?
You are forcing me to.
I'm asking you if you're going to.
But you're forcing me
I
to.
can't.
You're taking my items.
I'm seizing this for now. Yes.
What does that mean?
Do you want to provide?
Detective, I need to talk to her. I need an attorney present.
You can. Okay.
I need a lawyer.
You can take her to jail.
Take me to
Where's her
jail?
property?
Whatever charges you guys have.
You have resisting and aggravated battery of a police officer.
Oh my God! I didn't aggravate you. You assaulted me.
Okay, so.
You assaulted me. I'm 18 years old and you assaulted me. Of course I'm aggravated. I wasn't resisting arrest. You didn't say that I was under arrest. Are you arrested? Are you putting something on my record?
You're being arrested. I asked you to provide your phone and you refused, okay? When you
you didn't give me a reason.
So, no, I said your phone was being seized.
You
said,
never gave me the reason.
I gave you several times to hand it to
trusted
me.
you. That's why I came.
You did not hand me your phone, okay? Then we took your phone.
I came here
You kicked several
willingly.
officers.
Upon learning of the situation, Miss Brown firmly declined to engage in an interview and found herself surrounded by the 3 officers present at the scene. In a sudden turn of events, one officer attempted to retrieve Miss Brown's phone forcefully, while another sought to physically restrict her by grabbing her arms. Amidst the chaos, Miss Brown was brought to the ground against her will by a third officer, who aggressively attempted to take her phone as well. Regrettably, the situation escalated when the officers tried to restrain Miss Brown, who vehemently resisted their actions as she rightfully asserted her rights. The police had no right to hold her or seize her phone because she hadn't done anything illegal. Thus, Miss Brown had every right to defend her rights, which the police were obviously infringing upon. The entire exchange would have been avoided if the police had simply respected her rights rather than attempting to coerce her into complying. Miss Brown refused to give over her phone and held on to it throughout the altercation. The body camera film shows that the second officer applied a tactic utilized by law enforcement by laying hands on her neck in order to take control. The context is a police article that talks about applying pressure points specifically, a place close to the collarbone to control or divert during an arrest. The mentioned tactics, as highlighted in the article, are designed to handle confrontational situations, particularly with individuals who may pose a threat. However, their application on individuals not engaged in unlawful behavior lacks justification. In a recent incident detailed in the report, 6 officers attempted to restrain an 18-year-old woman, Miss Brown, who was not found to be in violation of any laws. Surveillance footage depicts a detective overseeing the situation. Following her restraint, the detective confiscated her phone, disregarded her request for legal representation, and instructed officers to take her into custody, despite the absence of apparent legal infractions.
Police officers, but
I was scared. Hello, you would do the same thing.
Cuffs still have to be double locked if they weren't double locked back.
they weren't.
Double lock them. I can't move. Are you guys serious right now? How are you gonna do this to me? I'm like, bro, I just got out of high school and you guys are scaring me.
You do?
Yes.
Okay, it's not going to affect any charges they have on you.
Okay, then just, what is happening right now? I came down here because I thought I was doing an interview. Why am I in cuffs?
That's not.
But why am I in cuffs? I'm scared. Why are you all touching me? That is the case itself.
Do you want to go back and talk or not?
There will be 3 cases filed in the morning, I promise you.
Yes or no?
I get one call, I know that much.
Have 2 people go.
Do you want to go with him? Do you have something or no?
I'm just worried about
any charges for this.
No.
I resisted because you gave me no reason. You cannot search me or take my items with giving me no reason. And it was an aggravated assault. It's called defending myself when I feel that I'm in harm's way. And now I'm in handcuffs without a phone.
No. I patted her down. I'll search her right now. Correct, and that's what you were here for the interview. You said,
yes!
So stop yelling, okay? You said you were here for an interview, right? Our detectives come in from Bloomington. I don't know how long it takes them to get here. You said you didn't no longer want to do that interview, right?
No, because I'm tired. I said I won't be of much help right now.
Correct. I was going to take you home.
Right.
At that point, the officer wanted your phone seized.
You didn't say that. You said my phone confiscated. You didn't give me that specific reason, ma'am.
For about 5 minutes. So
because I wasn't understanding, and I'm asking you the same question. I asked you the same question multiple times, and you did not answer me. You didn't answer me one time. Sitting here talking to you.
I tried to talk to you and reason with you.
You weren't reasoning with me.
And you were just
You
yelling.
were just telling me, and I'm asking you questions like a human being. And you're smiling. This is funny to you?
Upon Miss Brown's inquiry regarding her arrest, she was informed by a female officer that she faced charges of resisting arrest and aggravated battery of a police officer. These charges stem from 2 pertinent laws in Illinois. The first, 720 LCs 5311, outlines the offense of resisting or obstructing a peace officer, punishable as a class A misdemeanor. This entails potential jail time of up to 1 year and a $2,500 fine, along with mandatory minimums of 48 hours imprisonment and 100 hours of community service for convictions. The second statute, 720 LCs 5/12-3.05, defines aggravated battery of a police officer, which can escalate from Class X to Class I felonies, carrying prison sentences ranging from 2 to 60 years. Despite being initially released without charges after 2 hours, Ms. Brown has taken legal action by filing a civil lawsuit against the arresting officers. She is requesting punitive and compensatory damages, claiming that her emotional distress and Fourth Amendment rights were violated. Miss Brown and her mother discuss the incident's emotional toll in an interview with the local media, emphasizing the need for accountability. While the legal suit is still underway, attention is being drawn to another case that calls into question police behavior. Through learning and sharing, we have collectively shed light on the issue of police corruption in the United States. Remember, the power of each of us is crucial in building a fair and transparent community. Please continue to support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to not miss out on the upcoming videos on the Cops Quiz channel. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.